Right, that's a little potato, and I'm going to keep that. I'm going to try and grow from it. Terry King's having very small potato grow along challenge this year, so I'm going to keep that. In fact, I'm going to put it in here. So, bit of compost in the bottom. I don't know whether you can see that, it's very sunny today. So it's there. I'm just going to put in a pinch of blood fish and bone. And I'll put some in here as well. Bit more compost so the potato's not sitting on top of the compost. Then I'll put this in here like that. Take this stone out, don't need that. And just cover it up. I shall give this a water and put it in the greenhouse, so it's kind of kept warm during the night, well, warmer than if it was left out. Right,